Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Valorant error code van135. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up Test Manager. On Test Manager, go to Processes, look for Riot Client, and then make sure no tasks is running related to Riot Client or Valorant or League of Legends if you play League. Then what you need to do here, you need to go to Startup Apps and make sure that VG Tray is enabled here. And then you can close this window. Then you need to go to Services. Then here, press on VGC. Press one of the tasks here and press V until you see VGC. Right click on it and then go to Properties. Make sure Startup Type is automatic and make sure Service Status is running. And after that, you can close this window here. Then go to System Configuration. Then here on Services, make sure hide all Microsoft services and make sure VGC is enabled. And then look if the problem persists or not after you restart your computer. If the problem persists, the next thing what you need to do here, you just need to look for installed apps. On installed apps, you need to look for Vanguard on search. Press on 3 dots and uninstall it here. And then you just need to wait a couple of seconds until you will uninstall Vanguard. And after Vanguard is uninstalled, then all you need to do here is to open up Riot Client, go to Valorant and then update Valorant and it will reinstall Vanguard. And after that, you can play the game. So yeah, that's basically it. If I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.